Even if you're looking at the same thing, you can still see a lot of things depending on your perspective. So stop figuring things alone because you are not supposed to. Naalala ko yung mga panahong pinipilit kong umangat. Pero doon ako lalong bumabagsak. I relied on myself too much. I dreamed dreams that aren't aligned with the heart of God. I led my own life and I became the master of it. And to give you a result, hindi ko kinaya, hindi ko napanindigan, hindi ko nabuhat ng matagal, at doon ako humingi ng tulong sa Panginoon. Sumuko na ako, umamin na ako na hindi ko talaga kaya. Boys, baka kaya nahihirapan ka ngayon kasi pinipilit mong buhatin lahat ng mag-isa. Baka kaya walang nangyayari kahit trabaho ka ng trabaho kasi gusto ni Lord na sumuko ka na ulit sa Kanya. When things aren't working out, it's either He is telling you something or He wants you back.